So after that, you just need to open the output. It's gonna be the encoder. After you plug all of the key you need in this plug, just run the program. So the output is gonna look like that. This is the red line is the step input, and the green line is the output from the encoder.
So it looks like the controller controls it pretty well.
Yep.
And now we go on to the coin tuning.
Okay guys, the next part is gonna be the coin tuning. So we pretty much have to do the same thing to calculate the controller, PID controller. So, but it's gonna be different in this part. First of all, you have to notice that, if you're not using the same motor, you need to recalculate again K and tau. So you go to previous Lab2 I guess, or Lab1, and do the same thing. It's gonna be easier. So the block diagram is gonna look like that. Just you need to recalculate again K and tau, doing the same thing that you did in Lab2. Okay. After that, because I already have the K and tau that I need for this practice, you just need to have a block that is gonna look like that. So that's why I'm telling you, you need the K and tau from this motor, because we're gonna make a controller to control the motor, so we need the K and tau. So the transfer function is gonna look like that. This is my K is 1.6932, and the tau that I get from this motor is 0.026. So you just need to run the program like that, like put 5 seconds. Go now to MATLAB workspace. This is why let me run it again, because I don't see. Okay.
There
Oh.
is D1, yeah.
Yep. So
That is the derivative of the output.
yeah.
And as you
So
can
this is
see,
y. So the derivative of the y is gonna be this. Okay. So after you have the slope, you need to calculate the linear equation, right?
of the line, yeah.
Of the line. So it's gonna look like that. You have to make a plot having the tangent. It's gonna look like that. So you need to go to the MATLAB, to the Mechatronics website, and find the formula, and you're gonna have T0, T1, T2, and to calculate that, right?
Calculate the gains.
The gains.
Yeah, so get T0, T1, T2 as I said earlier from the formula, and then plug those values into the formula that you find on the presentation on the Mechatronics website for coin tuning gains. Get new KPK and KD.
So after you have the K's, you go again to this plot,
Put the new values of KPK and KD and run it.
and run the program and see how it's gonna look like. So again, you pay. You might my case, it's gonna be 25.89. KI is gonna be 419.9, and KD is gonna be 0.358 minus 3. So
Just a note on this part though, Cohen tuning gives you really large gains for KP and KI. Like this one here, 419, that is about doable. But if your gains go up above 500, that could mean trouble because your motor will vibrate violently. So if that happens, you might need to check your calculations again.
so just run again. Step.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah.
Just
And
run.
just run it again. And
Wow.
there you see, in this case, because of the high gains, you have lots of overshoot, but the controller still works. So, and then you get to comment on which controller performs better and why.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it for this lab. It's a fun lab, nice and sweet, your controller works. So, thank you for watching.
It's okay. Bye bye.
Bye.